Hello world, hi. If you want to speak English confidently without spending hours or starting in this video, I'll show you with exactly 50 minutes daily English routine. That routine is much effective for your learning speaking. Follow this routine daily, practice with example and see your fluency week by week. Perfect for beginner and busy learner. Do you struggle to speak English? You don't need hour. You just need 50 minutes. Can make a huge difference. Build fluency, confident, expand your vocabulary, and sound more different. Number one is this is called a warm up time for 3 minutes. It's called tongue twister practice. What is tongue twister? Tongue twister is your muscle and your mouth practice. That is called tongue twister. Now I'm showing with you exactly one tongue twister. That is too much effective for speaking English. Number one is Peter, Piper, picked, pick up, pickled, peppers. Peter, Piper, picked, pick up, pickles, pepper. Peter, Piper, picked, pick up, pickled, peppers. Start slowly, then gradually increase your speed. This is very formal ways to increase any kind of speed with practice. Number two is daily new 5 words. You must have gained daily new 5 words about speaking English. Like excellent. He is a very excellent boy, and that's why he has been drawn with his very excellent tribe. Excited. I'm very excited for to go with my grandmother home. I'm very excited for to go home my grandmother home. I'm very excited for to go my grandmother home. This is very simple question and answer. Number three is practice. Practice makes man perfect. If you want to practice that time your English with more confident and more fluent than your older version. So practice makes man perfect. Number four word is consistency. Consistency is the key to achieve any kind of new things. Number five is mobile phone. Mobile phone is a very common instrument in our daily life. Can you say this kind of new word? 5 words just new. You have achieved your daily life or your daily day. Number two part is speaking deals. Like ask yourself simple question and answer. Ask yourself simple question and answer about speaking English. Like what did you do today? What did you do today? What did what did you do today? I practice English and went for a walk. If you can say I practice English and went for a short walk. What is your favorite food? What's your favorite foods? Like my favorite food is pizza because it tastes delicious. My favorite food is pizza because it tastes delicious. Two is describe your surrounding. Like look surrounding and describe what you see. Like I see a wooden table, a blue chair, and window is sunlight. Or right now I'm sitting on a chair. This chair color is green, and I'm creating a content, and my surrounding is my room. You can say this kind of describe with English. Number three is short story exercise. Short story exercise. This is too much crucial for, and this is too much effective for speaking English. Like speak 2 or 3 sentences about your day or an event. Example: today I wake up early and went for a short walk. I saw many birds and enjoying the fish air. You can say this kind of describe. But the real life conversation simulation. Prepare for actual conversation. Role play. Pretend you're talking to apprentice or customer. Ordering food. Like When you will go to any kind of restaurant, that time you must have need to order your favorite food. Which do you want to eat? Like, hello, I would like a sandwich and a small coffee, please. Hello, I would like a sandwich and a small coffee, please. Uh, uh, Asking direction, like when you will travel, that time you can ask, excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the nearest bus stop? Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the nearest bus stop? This is very easy. Number 4 is 2 is daily routine monologue. Like, describe your daily routine as if explaining to someone new. Like I wake up at 7 a.m. and brush my teeth, eat breakfast, and start in English. Then I go to school or work. Then I go to school or work. Part 4 is warm up and review 2 minutes. This portion is fixed for 2 minutes, not expanded. Like, review what you practiced today, what sentences tongue twister. Optional, record yourself speaking for 20 or 60 seconds to tag your progress. Encourage consistency, 15 minutes daily, between 1 hour irregularly. What they have said, 15 minutes daily beats 1 hour irregularities. Tips for the success: speak aloud, not just in your head. You must have speak aloud, not just in your head, because when you speak aloud, that time your muscle and mouth will practice, and this is not crucial for any kind of new language. Don't worry about your mistake, because mistake part of that you are trying. Pronounce the past grammar later. This is the common situation. Use a mirror or phone camera to practice facial expression. Keep a small notebook for new words and phrases. Gradually increase practice time after 1 or 2 weeks. Thank you everyone for watching this kind of content. See you soon with another content. And if you feel this content will help you for your English learning, that time you must have follow or subscribe into my channel.